So one thing I've learned is a true friend tells you what you need to hear, not what you want. And a true friend is not a fun job. If I really love and care about you, I'm gonna tell you the truth. And if the truth is, if you keep doing this, something bad's gonna happen to you, I'm gonna let you know. Because if I love and care about you, I'm gonna tell you when something might kill you. So if you feel that they have a problem that deep, sit them down heart to heart and tell them, listen, let's fix this, because I care about you. And you know what? The conversation might not go well, but at least you knew you did your job as a friend. That's what I believe. But the point is, the conversation started, right? So if they don't like it and they don't want to hear it, friendships don't end on one argument. It's like the stock market, it goes up and down, and that's okay. But if you're a good friend, why would you leave that relationship? If you really want to help them, just keep working at it. And there's ways to help. Your tone matters, how you say it, where you present it, who's with you present it. Do you do it in a loving way? Are you mean about it? There's a lot of factors that go into it. So don't give up just one time. So why would you stop trying to have your friend get better more than once? Don't make sense. So I'm a parent. And one thing I've learned is it's not a popular job. My job is to make sure when I leave this earth, you can take care of yourself very well, is to teach you to be healthy. And the reality of it is that if you don't want to experience pain, I got to teach you. Because I don't want the drug dealer teaching you and I don't want the policeman. Parenting is a skill set. And the reality of it is, if you have an addict or alcoholic, it's going to be different parenting than anything else. You're going to have to sit them down if you want to save their life. When you're with an addict, you have to consequence out of love. So that might look like you got to make them sleep outside. That might look like if they go to jail, you don't send no money, because they have to experience pain in order to get better. This is a disease where they have to have consequence in order to stop. That's an enabling parent. A parent that will give you money when they know you're not doing the right thing. A parent that will allow you to keep doing bad behaviors. You don't dictate what goes on. And being a parent doesn't mean I answer to you. It means that I show you how much I love you. Why would I admit that I have a problem with something? Because if I admit I have a problem, guess what happens? I got to do something about it. And that solution might be real ugly, because that means I got to look at who I am. So I think it's easier to mask things up.